Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create and sign into Oppo account on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on sign in. Now if you already have an existing Oppo account, just select sign in with Google, or you can sign into your Oppo account using your phone number or any email address. And if you want to create an Oppo account, just tap on create one. If you're already using a Google account, just tap on sign in with Google. And if you're using another email account, like if you're using an email from Hotmail, Outlook, or Yahoo, just tap on email. Since I'm using a Gmail account, just tap on sign in with Google. Select allow. And from here, just select your Gmail address. Then tap on next. Now just drag this slider and complete the verification process. Now, in the country and region section, just select your country or region code, then tap on birthday and enter your birth date. After you do that, then tap on OK and tap on next. Now in this section, just create a password for your Oppo account. Now in this section, just enter your password one more time to confirm your password. Once you confirm your password, then tap on OK. From here, tap on save. And as you can see, we have successfully created an Oppo account. And this is how you can create and sign into your Oppo account on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.